Hi there. Your parking lot can become an EV charging station, just as it is. With iCharge, drivers need no app and no account. Just scan the Bay QR. Parking, charging, and payment, done in one smooth flow. Billing is based on parking time, not kilowatt hours. So revenue is easier to plan and less tied to electricity price swings. System fees are per charger per month. In Japan, quieter sites start around a flat 2,000 yen, up to about 10,000 yen in sales. In other countries, you can set the same tiers in local currency, near those yen levels. For example, about 15 US dollars, about 400 Taiwan dollars, or about 800 Philippine pesos for that starting flat tier. Then, as volume grows, rates step down. When several cars charge at once, we share load within your site power cap, so you can add ports without upsizing the utility contract. Perfect for hotels, retail, and visitor lots. Ask us for materials and a friendly demo. iCharge by IS3.